got it. Melody, look at their feet.
Come on. Look at that. My coffee stained leg.
I saw that.
What happened? Okay, CCP.
We were so tired.
Are your feet so
Alright, here we are, as you can see, on the speed train going back to the parking lot where we left Bethany's car. And we're going to try and pick it up and go home and maybe play some games or something before bed, but probably not because it's already almost midnight and we're pretty tired. So, maybe not. Maybe it's not quite midnight. I don't know what time it is.
Right now?
Hey, Ken, what time is it?
18.
Really?
Is that the time?
Early morning.
Is that it? Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We've been gone since.
It's only 10 o'clock?
We've been gone 12 hours.
I thought it was like midnight.
I know, when you said that, I was like,
Okay,
wait,
get some footage of our grimy feet.
Here's everyone's disgusting feet on the train.
And here's the coffee
And
stain.
there's Ken's coffee stain. Here's the security one.
These are the
Lo siento.
girl.
And this is the train. I'm trying to catch where it turns because it looks really, really cool. But I don't think we're going to get to see it.